Hello, welcome back to this series that is aligned with AP Statistics. Today it's all about categorical data. We are going to look at tables of categorical data with frequencies and relative frequencies, and then we're going to graph. We're going to look at bar graphs, pie charts. We're going to use these things with a real-world example to motivate your understanding. So let's get started.
First, let's recap what categorical data is. Categorical data refers to variables that can be divided into groups or categories. Think of things like your favorite social media platform, types of pollution, or categories of waste we generate. It's like sorting your music playlist into different genres, but for data. Let's start with frequency tables. These tables show how often each category appears. Imagine we conducted a survey on students' concerns about global warming. The frequency table would list the factors contributing to global warming and the number of students most concerned about each. For example, if 45 students are concerned about fossil fuel consumption, 23 about deforestation, and 18 about industrial agriculture, and 4 have some other primary concern, our table would look like this. Pretty straightforward, right? But wait, there's more. We can also create a relative frequency table. This table shows the proportion of each category relative to the total number of responses. It helps us to understand the data in percentage terms. For example, if we have a total of 90 responses, the relative frequency for deforestation would be 23 out of 90, or about 25.56%. It's a great way to see the bigger picture. Next, let's turn that table into a bar chart. Bar charts are great for visually comparing frequency of each category. Each bar represents a factor contributing to global warming, and the height shows how many students are concerned about it. See how that bar for fossil fuel consumption is the tallest? That's because it has the most responses. Super simple. But be careful. Sometimes graphs can be misleading. For example, if the y-axis doesn't start at 0, it can exaggerate the differences between categories. Always check the scale and make sure the data is represented accurately. Now let's look at pie charts. Pie charts show the proportion of each category as a slice of pie. It's like cutting up a pizza, where each slice represents a different issue. In our example, the biggest slice is fossil fuel consumption, followed by deforestation, industrial agriculture, and the other category. Remember, the pie chart must include 100% of the data. The circle represents the entirety of the dataset. To recap, we've learned how to create and interpret frequency tables, relative frequency tables, bar charts, pie charts for categorical data. We also discussed how to avoid misleading graphs. These tools help us make sense of data on important topics like global warming. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more AP Statistics aligned lessons. Hit that bell icon so you don't miss any future videos. Stay curious, keep questioning, and remember, in statistics, every chart helps us understand the world a little better.